How to make e-commerce fulfillment with Boxzooka. Boxzooka is an e-commerce fulfillment technology platform. In an interview with TechBullion, Brendan Heegan, the founder of Boxzooka, shares his success stories and the benefits of using the Boxzooka proprietary technology for e-commerce fulfillment. What is Boxzooka and what inspired the business? After traveling internationally and having a front row seat to the constantly expanding e-commerce marketplace, Brendan saw the opportunity to provide better technology solutions and a higher level of service to growing retailers. Boxzooka was founded with a great technology platform and a client-centric focus. The company's initial success managing apparel clients helped them build a solid foundation in high-touch fulfillment operations. What was the problem with e-commerce fulfillment before Boxzooka? Some of the core services that are table stakes in e-commerce fulfillment include fast and accurate order processing, detailed inventory management, omni-channel processing capabilities, and great customer service. All clients have high expectations, and the Amazon effect has continued to raise consumer demands for fast and free services. These factors, and don't forget a pandemic and inflation, combine to separate the average providers from the best providers. Boxzooka works hard to stay in front of these market conditions with innovation, proactive communication, and transparency. What specific services and solutions does Boxzooka provide? Boxzooka offers comprehensive e-commerce fulfillment solutions built on a technology platform that puts retailers in the driver's seat. The platform provides omni-channel support across B2C, B2B, wholesale, and cross-border landed cost capabilities with full transparency. The fulfillment solutions are flexible, customized, and efficient with lean operational disciplines, supported by the team and the Boxzooka systems. Why is Boxzooka the preferred partner for top fashion and beauty brands? Boxzooka's initial clientele included some emerging fashion brands, and they demand attention to detail and a terrific client experience opening packages. The high SKU count and the low SKU depth makes inventory management a critical service to provide. Apparel also has high return rates, and Boxzooka has top-tier reverse logistics processes embedded in their solutions. In addition, the ability to bag, tag, label, refurbish, and cater to each brand's unique requirements has helped Boxzooka develop the best practices for these retailers. What makes the Boxzooka proprietary landed cost technology special? When Boxzooka was founded, the proprietary landed cost technology was created for competency, and Boxzooka were ahead of the market demand. Essentially, fully landed cost technologies facilitate a seamless ordering process for consumers across borders. The shopping cart functionality includes localized currency and payment processing, accurate duties and taxes included in support of international clients. Boxzooka takes friction out of the buying and delivery experiences and increases conversion rates on transactions. For more tips on the best e-commerce technologies, visit the links below this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.